Everyone, I welcome you all in science class students. Today we are going to revise chapter number 16, Air Around Us. So before starting this chapter, I want to ask you some riddles, right? So for my first riddle is, what is it that you can feel but cannot touch? The answer is air. Next riddle, what is it that has no size or shape but it exists? The answer is air. Third one, what is it that is all around us all the time yet we cannot see it? The answer is air. So the answer of all these riddles is air. Right? I want you to do one activity. Hold your hand in front of your mouth. Breathe in deeply and breathe out towards your finger. What do you feel? You can feel the air, right? What makes your fingers feel hot? Air, definitely air, right? So air is present everywhere, right? Air is present everywhere. Let us suppose you keep an open book under a fan. Switch on the fan. You will see the pages of the pages of the book start fluttering, right? Similarly, if you keep the handkerchief under the moving fan, right? What will you observe? The handkerchief start moving, right? So all these incident shows that all these incidents show that the air is present everywhere. And moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind, right? Our next topic is atmosphere. So student, atmosphere is basically a layer of gases around the earth, right? Atmosphere is a layer of gases, or also you can say atmosphere is a thick layer of air that is surrounded on the earth's surface, right? And it have 5 layers that we have already read in class 5th. It has 5 layers. So very first layer is troposphere. Very first layer is troposphere. Second layer is stratosphere. Second layer is stratosphere. Third layer is mesosphere. And fourth layer is thermosphere. And the fifth one is exosphere. These are the 5 layers of the atmosphere, right? And the uppermost layer is called exosphere, right? And the stratosphere, this layer of the atmosphere, contains a thin layer of ozone, and ozone absorbs the UV radiations coming from the sun. Next, we are going to read about the composition of air. So, air is basically a mixture of many gases. Air is a mixture of many gases, and it have many gases. So, there are mainly 10 gases that make up the clean air, right? That we are going to discuss. All means maximum we are going to discuss about the gases that is present in the air. So the very first gas that is in the highest concentration, that one is nitrogen, and the percentage that is present, the percentage of nitrogen that is present in the air is 78%. The next one is the oxygen. The percentage of the oxygen that is present in air is 21%. Rest we have other gases like noble gases, carbon dioxide, water vapor, dust particles and smoke. Carbon dioxide. The concentration of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is only 0.03%. And noble gases. Noble gases are non-reactive gases, right? For example, helium, neon, argon, krypton. These are the noble gases. So nitrogen, first gas which is higher in the concentration, that one is nitrogen gas. So nitrogen gas does not used by animals or any animals directly, right? Firstly, it is converted into compounds, right? And which is then used by the plants, and then the animals get the nitrogen through the plants, right? So nitrogen gas means even the human beings, right, cannot take up the nitrogen gas directly. So firstly, these nitrogen, I am repeating it again, these nitrogen gas first converted into certain compounds which called nitrate. It is done by the microorganism, and then it get mixed in the soil, and the plants take up the compounds, and then again animals get the nitrogen through the plants only, right? Next one is the oxygen gas. Oxygen gas, we can use the oxygen gas directly, and we use the oxygen gas to breathe. Even plants and animals that live in the water, they also get the oxygen which is dissolved in water, right? So I have prepared some one word questions for you, 5 one word questions. So let's start doing it. First one is layer of gases surrounding the earth. What it is? It's atmosphere. The answer is atmosphere. Third one, harmful radiation coming from the sun. Answer is UV rays or ultraviolet rays or infrareds. Gas used by green plants to make their food. Answer is carbon dioxide. This is the chemical formula of carbon dioxide. Gas helps in combustion, in burning. Answer is oxygen. Fifth, the cycle that balances the percentage of oxygen in the air. Answer is oxygen cycle. So I hope you have understood all the topic which we have discussed. Rest topic we will discuss in next video lecture. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.